Jazzel and Dallas Cuadling, 17, Miss Hadang, Cuadling City National High School.
I want your body.
Number 7 is wearing a deep side-slitted mermaid gown embroidered with gold rhinestones and intricate beadworks. This daring evening gown is an epitome of allure and sophistication. A mermaid gown adorned with resplendent elegance, with a deep, daring side slit that adds a touch of intrigue. This gown exudes confidence and glamour. Designed by Berna Arcibucci. Candidate number 7.
Number 4. Here's your picture. All right, your 45 seconds starts now.
Good evening, everyone. That picture shows the life of a farmer, of a fisherman. I am amazed by how they continue to smile despite their hardships. It is very important for us to appreciate them. They are very hardworking, and they still continue to work for us to eat, for us to sustain for our daily needs. They are very unpaid, they are very underrated, but we should be prioritizing them. They are in this world, they are not treated equally. So we should
7 from Cuadling City National High School.
final question. In celebration of Adlaw San Calbayog or Calbayog City Fiesta, what tagline or slogan would you propose to promote Calbayog City? I repeat, in celebration of Adlaw San Calbayog or Calbayog City Fiesta, what tagline or slogan would you propose to promote Calbayog City?
In this present world, I still believe that promoting our local culture and tourism is an act of preserving our roots and identity. By celebrating our own heritage, we infuse vitality to legacies that have endured the challenges of time. I stand before you as an ambassador of our community, strong-willed and dedicated to serve as a beacon of light, illuminating the power, the beauty of Calbayog, which makes it a true treasure worth cherishing and sharing to this world. So my slogan is, Ladawan san magarbong nga kultura, karisyo ug pagkaurusa.
Jazzel Rain Cuadling from CCNHS.
Ngunit parayaw, kaya rani pasangya.